Today, the Supreme Court is expected to hear another case that could change internet law as we know it.
Yeah, both cases under review this week address a decades-old statute that protects big tech companies. In one case, Google, for being sued for allowing ISIS terror videos to be hosted on YouTube. It's so fascinating. Joe Khalil is joining us live from Washington, D.C. with everything we know. Joe?
Yeah, Adrienne, both cases really interesting yesterday and today, and both could really fundamentally change the way that we handle the internet, the way that we see platforms like Facebook and Twitter and Google all together. And what was really interesting and sort of different is just a way that the Supreme Court justices, both liberal and conservative, openly talked about how they may not be the right body, the right group to answer these tough questions. The first case yesterday was focusing on the family of this 23-year-old girl who was killed in a terrorist attack in Paris. Their family attorneys argue that Google, which owns YouTube, should be held liable because ISIS radicalized and recruited a whole lot of people using those platforms, posting their videos, their propaganda, and some even came up for users as suggested videos. You know, when you watch one and YouTube recommends more videos. On the other side, attorneys for Google say that they cannot and should not be held criminally liable for the actions of people watching YouTube because they say their algorithms, control those things. And if the law were to be that way, it would totally upend the way the internet works, they argue. But I want you to listen to Justice Brett Kavanaugh and Justice Elena Kagan, one conservative, one liberal-leaning justice, both suggesting they're not sure exactly how to answer these questions.
Isn't it better to keep it the way it is for us and Congress, to put the burden on Congress to change that? They can consider the implications and make these predictive judgments. You're asking us right now to make a very precise predictive judgment that, don't worry about, it's really not going to be that bad. I don't know that that's at all the case.
I mean, we're a court. We really don't know about these things. These are not like the 9 greatest experts on the internet.
So the status quo now, Section 230, that's the law that protects Google and Facebook and others from being sued for what people are posting. Today, the case focuses on whether people can sue those platforms based on the Anti-Terrorism Act. Certainly going to be interesting later this morning, guys.
All right, Joe, thank you very much. So interesting that we're talking about what can be posted and what can be hosted. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.